So our time in Osaka is over. We're leaving the room.
I think it's Osaka, by the way.
Osaka. We're leaving. So bye bye room. Bye bye bathroom. The place we're going to today is actually so close that Airbnb thought it was in the same place, because on our listing it both says Osaka. But
it does take an hour to get there.
It takes an hour to get there, so we've got a bit of travelling to do and we're going to take you along the way. I'm getting breakfast from this guy and he does he goes, every time I go up he goes, Japanese vegetable! Like that, so I'll see if he does it today. But we'll go get some of them, go get some more breakfast / lunch, and then we'll be getting on the train. The Japanese vegetable guy is cooking our food just there, and I saw this building, and this is the kind of thing I love about Japan, like architecture and design. Like, they just build, like, look, I don't know if you can tell, but like you've got all these big buildings around, and you have that one there, and it's just super thin, and it's apartments, so there's obviously been a little plot of land available to build on, and then they've just built this tiny tower, and it looks like it's got about 4 apartments in. There's 4 tiny apartments, and yeah, I just think that's so cool. Like, I think we should start seeing stuff like that in England. Just tiny apartments built like that. I think it's wicked. So I went to eat my Japanese vegetable thing and I dropped it. So I had like my bag on my arm up on here, and then like it slid down and it made me jump, and then I just dropped it and lost my grip. So now I'm going to be hungry. I did buy this thing though, like a chocolate croissant thing. I'm so devastated I dropped it, but I don't want to I always have to go back and make sure I didn't leave anything anywhere. But yeah, I'm so devastated I dropped it, but I don't want to buy another one because I don't want a double buy thing. So
our way through the street.
What?
We're just eating our way through the street.
Yeah, we went to the, where did we go? The bakery. Had that, and then we went to the Japanese vegetable guy, and now we're going to the potato salad,
and then we'll probably go
and then we'll be at the train station. Oh, we bought a sandwich as well at the
bakery.
At the bakery.
An egg sandwich.
Yeah, an egg sandwich. Have you noticed it's always the older Japanese people that look like the old men?
Well, yeah,
and the old women.
Just like don't care.
So after the Japanese vegetable accident, we went into it's like a chain restaurant, but they do this potato salad. We've had it literally almost every day for like a week, so Lottie didn't actually finish all hers, so I had 1.5, but that filled us up enough for the journey onto the train. We then went into Family Mart, and first of all we started buying all our drinks from vending machines, and then we quickly realised that Family Mart actually do like proper tea and coffee for like only a little bit more expensive. So Lottie grabbed a cup of coffee and I grabbed a chai latte for the train. We've just arrived in Kyoto. Is it Kyoto?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're going to get run over. It looks exactly the same as Osaka, but we were on the wrong train. It was meant to be like 5 stops, but the first train we got on was like 5 stops to get to our first stop, and then we got off there and then got back on to get on the faster train. But we've just got an 11-minute walk and then we'll be at the condo. And we'll be at the Airbnb. Futuristic car parklet. The train system in Japan's so good. Like, that was such a nice journey. Like, we got up and then we just had a bite to eat and we just had a drink. I got a chai latte, sat on the train here, always on time, everyone's polite. We sat down, met an American guy, had a chat, and now we just got an 11-minute walk. Like, it's so much better than English trains. I think travelling wise so far, even though it wasn't that long of a journey, this is my favourite place to like do the travel bit.
Yeah,
what do you think? Yeah?
Yeah, sorry, I just need a wee. So I'm like really trying to like...
Okay, we're going to go try to find a toilet for Lottie. So we found our Airbnb about a 10-minute walk away from the train station in a quiet backstreet residential area. Oh, wicked. So we got a washing machine. Washing machine with a... Oh, it's a proper shower unit. Yeah, I got the key. We've got a little kitchen. We've got just a toilet in there. And then in the bedroom. Ta-da-da. Oh, it's lovely. We've got a balcony as well.
Need a bit more space. Like, how do I lie under there?
What did you just say, Lottie? How would you lie under there?
Yeah.
Yeah? It comes out.
Oh, that's so cool. I love the bedding, the grey bedding. It looks so cool.
So, welcome to the new bedroom for a week. Just showed you everything that was in there. But this is the bedroom. And we also have no chairs out there, but a nice little balcony.
I've got a guest book in like everyone's room.
Look. How wicked is that? I can do some cool time lapses out here.
People have wrote in the guest book and they've put like, there's an, obviously English speaking people have put like, we really enjoyed Rakusho Cafe very close to the temple, this temple and stuff like that, so we can like...
Cool. I'll give you a proper tour. We've got a wardrobe so we can actually keep our stuff organised. And like there's someone that smokes in the hallway, same problem with the last place, but we can close this and then there's no smoke in the bedroom. We've got a big fridge, freezer and microwave. Yeah, loads of stuff. We've got a proper toilet. And it's nice because the toilet and the bedroom is separate, so the toilet and the shower, sorry. So you've got a shower bath in there. Nice, the bath's a bit bigger than the last one. An actual washing machine so we can wash our clothes. Yeah, this is really nice, really happy with
It
this.
looks better than it does on the photos, doesn't it?
And much more spacious. Our last apartment was smaller than just the bedroom.
You've got all of this space as well, you know.
Yeah. So I've just had a bath and this bath's much bigger. It doesn't look like it, but it's a bit taller so you can fit in a bit nicer. I've set myself up a desk, so I just got one of the things off the floor and put it up here because we're going to sleep in the same bed anyway. So I've made myself a little area and I'm going to edit the footage I've done so far and maybe have a cup of tea, chill out, regroup for a bit, and then we'll go out, I think. We going out today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go have a little walk around, find some food.
Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm going to edit the footage and then we're going to go out. We had a quick Google and we saw online that there's a well, it's not vegetarian, but it's a ramen restaurant that does vegetarian ramen. How far away is it?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. I edited that footage in literally like, how long would you say? In like half an hour. That was so quick. Let me know what you think of the like talk over bits, because as like for example the bit where I'm in the potato restaurant, and like then I talk over it. I recorded that straight after we left because it's not the kind of thing you can't vlog in there because people are eating and it's a bit rude. So when we left, I just did a voiceover while I was walking down the road of what we did and then just laid it over the top. So let me know what you think of that. Just walked down the road and we found a temple. I'm not sure if you have to take your shoes off. I don't think you do. Oh no, shoes off there. But check it. That's so cool. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've just come to the restaurant and it is so busy, and I just looked and it's got like 2015, 16, 17 like year TripAdvisor awards, and it's so busy you have to do like an order thing. This is it here. That's it there.
It's a ramen restaurant. Did you say that?
No. Yeah, it's a ramen restaurant, so it's like noodles, but ramen.
They either do, for the vegetarian options, it's either a soy milk based soup or a kelp based soup. And we're going to go for the soy milk because it looks creamier and a bit nicer.
Yeah, it looks nicer than kelp. I wanted to try both, but I wanted to share and Lottie doesn't want to, so
I don't like
we're both going to get the soy milk soup.
Yeah. It's a bit more expensive than we normally would spend.
Yeah, but we're just going to wait 15 minutes. We've got to download a QR scanner to like see how long we've got in the queue. But we're going to wait, I think it's about 15 minutes, and then we'll go inside.
Sorry, go ahead.
That's okay.
So we had 2 vegetarian ramen so the broth was like made out of soy milk, and then there was obviously noodles, bean sprouts, broccoli, carrots, some tofu, and we had egg as well on it, and it was really, really, really tasty. The bar was a really nice atmosphere, and they played soft jazz music, so it felt really relaxing. And there was only 8 seats at the bar, so it felt really quiet and quite peaceful.
Right, so I'm going to end the video there. We're in Kyoto now, so the next 5, 6, so I don't know how many videos are all going to be in Kyoto. I just picked up I didn't know it was coffee, but it's like a cinnamon bun. But it's a coffee cinnamon bun. It had chocolate coated coffee beans on top, and they were delicious. So I'm going to eat this, have a cup of tea, watch the Cast, edit the last bit of this vlog, and I'll be going to bed. So I'm going to leave the video here, and good night.
Bye bye, thank you very much. Thank you.